There are 8 emergency exits on our Boeing 737-800 that your crew will now point out. There are 2 doors at the front of the aircraft, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors at the rear. Please note your nearest exit, remembering it could be behind you. In an emergency, the exits can be found by following the escape path lighting along the aisle. When the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you must remain seated with your seatbelt tightly fastened. This is a non-smoking flight. It is a federal offence to smoke at any time on board this aircraft, including in the lavatories, which are fitted with smoke detectors and alarms. While on board the aircraft, it is a requirement for you to follow all illuminated information signs and crew member instructions. It is also a requirement that your seatbelt is fastened when seated and at any time requested by your crew. In preparation for our takeoff, ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your seatback is upright with the armrest down and tray table folded away. Please check that your cabin baggage is securely under the seat in front of you, as the island exits must be completely clear. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight with Virgin Australia.
Not a greaser.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brisbane. Local time is just on 6 p.m.
For your safety, it is now important that you do remain seated with your seatbelt firmly fastened until the captain switches off the fastened seatbelt sign above your head. If your mobile phone is within reach and you can reach it without unfastening your seatbelt, you may now switch it on. This afternoon we will be disembarking using both the forward and the rear left-hand doors. Please be careful as you go down the aircraft stairs, hold on to the handrails and follow any directions given to you by the Jetstar staff for a safe passage into the terminal. Please do not use your mobile phone as you cross the tarmac. In here, take care when opening the overhead lockers as your luggage may have moved during the flight, and remember to thoroughly check your seat pocket for any personal items. Jetstar is pleased to announce that Avis and Budget offer special car rental rates to Jetstar customers. Simply mention you are a Jetstar customer at the Avis or Budget car rental desk in the airport to receive your discount. In addition, Qantas frequent flyer members can receive frequent flyer points. Finally, on behalf of our Captain Tristan Telford and the rest of your crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar this afternoon. It has been our pleasure bringing you through from Newcastle, and we do look forward to seeing you again on another Jetstar flight. Until then, thank you and have a good afternoon.